Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create a 3D map, or you can say a 3D video of a globe using MS Excel. It is very easy to learn and it is very useful. So for that you have to open the MS Excel, go to the Insert tab and click on this option 3D map, open 3D maps. When you open this, you will see a screen like this. Now, I will just give you the brief introduction about the different menus over here. So, if you now the tool editor and layer frame is on. So, if you click on layer frame, this option will go. This space will be emptied. And if you want to remove this option, you can click on tool editor. So, tool editor. You can bring them back also. So, we need this one tool editor. So, keep it like that. Now this is the option to play the tour. So we are going to create a tour, and if you want to check how the tour looks, you can use this option. If you want to create a video, you can create a video. It will give you various options depending on your requirement, whether you want the video in HD or for presentation or simply for mobile application. So you can choose any of the option and then export the video. It will create a video in MP4 format. New scene is used to add more scenes like what we add in PowerPoint, different slides. Scenes will give you the different look, whether you want a map look or a satellite look. Then this is scene options. Scene options are used to do the settings of each scene. This refresh data is used when you are linking Excel data with the 3D group. So we are not using this option. Map labels will show you the labels on the map. For example, if I zoom into this country and if you click on map labels, it will show you the locations. You can switch it off. If you click on flat map, the globe will be converted into a flat map. See, for example, if I unclick on flat map, the globe is like this. If you click on flat map, it will become flat. So leave it like that. Find location, you can find any location on the earth. For example, if I want to find a city called Muscat, I will just type it and click on, so it will take me to that location. So this is the Muscat location, okay, on the globe. So you can change it to flat map, you will see that. And it is looking like a horizontal, so you can just make it vertical like that, okay, and you can move it around. So find location is used to find, for example, Sur, you can just say Sur and find it, so it will take you to Sur, okay, like this. Click on the map labels, you will see this is taking some other Sur, so maybe I have to mention specifically Sur, Oman. Now it is taking me to Sur in Oman, okay. So this option is used to find location. Text box is used to add any text to your tour. Legend will show legend. So let us start making a video. So for example, I'll just remove this and make it a globe. And I will also remove the labels. So this is how your first slide looks. So if you want to give it a satellite look, just go to themes and change it to this one. So this can be so this is your title slide. You can add here any text box. Suppose you are creating a tour for, say, famous places in Muscat. So you can give this one, a title, famous places in Muscat, and just say create. So you can make it like this, and you can keep it somewhere here, famous places in Muscat. Okay. Now we can come back to scene settings. So this is the scene duration 10. You can increase it or reduce it depending on requirements. I'll keep it 5. And I will give the scene name as this is the main scene. So I will say main. Transition duration from main to the effect to the location, it will take 3 seconds. So we'll leave it like that. And effect, we will keep it as rotate globe. Now, if you want to check the settings, you can just click on this one, so it will rotate like this. Okay, so this is how your video will look like in the beginning for 5 seconds. Just escape this. Now, for example, you want to show the first famous place in Muscat. So you can, what you can do, you can add a new scene. You can either copy the main scheme or you can add a new scene. So let us copy a main screen. Okay. Then click on the scene settings. Now this is, for example, my first famous location is Royal Opera House. Royal Opera House. And transition is 3, and instead of rotate globe, now I will use flyover. So it will fly over that location. After that, what you do, you go to find location and search here Royal Opera House, Muscat, and find the location. Okay, so it may not be able to find it, so we can just zoom in. And I think, where is this Opera House? So this is the Opera House. No, this is Mall of Muscat, Mall of Oman. So Royal Opera House is this one over here. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to change this name. So you can double click this and change this to Royal Opera House, Muscat. If you feel that the text is not visible, you can edit the background. So you can choose some light color as a background, and you can choose some dark text. Say for example, I can use say blue text. Okay, so now it is much better. So this is your Royal Opera. Okay. So now if you want to see how your video looks, you can just click on the play tour, and after 5 seconds, it will go to the first famous place in Oman, which is Royal Opera House in Muscat. So this is the Royal Opera House. So like this, you can add more scenes, whichever places you want. So let us add one more scene. I will copy the same scene, or you can add new world map. And then because the setting remains same, then I can go here and I say I want to check now Mall of Oman. So I will search here, find location, Mall of Oman, find. So it is not able to find. So I'll just again go to Muscat. Okay, this is the airport. So Mall of Oman is somewhere in Baushar. So this is the Mall of Oman over here. So I will just edit the text again and say Mall of and say okay. You can just reduce the size and keep it somewhere here. So setting remains same. And once you are happy with all the things you have made, you can just simply click on. You can play the whole tour again if you want to check. So the globe will rotate for 5 seconds, and then it will take you to first famous location in Muscat, which is Royal Opera House. And then after 5 seconds again, it will take you to the second famous place, which is Mall of Oman in Baushar. So like this, you can add any number of famous places you want to add in your video. Once you're happy with everything, then you can just simply click on create video, and you can choose what is the resolution you want, what is the purpose of your video, and based on that you can see it. So I just want to quickly export, so I will just choose this option and say create. Then it will ask you a location where you want to store it. So select the location and give it a name. So I will just say test. It will save it in MP4 format, which is a standard video format, and say save. And it will export the tour into a video. That video you can use it in your PowerPoint. You can share it with anybody or display it on the screen, or show it as a WhatsApp status on your mobile. So this is a good way of using a very simple technique which is available in most of the computers using MS Excel. Very easy, very useful. And when you add such kind of videos in your PowerPoint presentations, your PowerPoint presentations look very beautiful. So try to use this and try to create different tours. This is just an example. You can do the tours for many other things. Maybe you can make a tour for your own village and you can show all the famous places in your village. I'm not sure about the Arabic text and search for Arabic text. You can try that, and instead of writing in English, you can write the text in Arabic also if you have Arabic keyboard. Okay, so now our video is almost all complete. So you can say open. So the video will open now, and your video will look like this. So if you make it full screen, so it will. This is a video now in MP4 format. And then you can insert this video in your PowerPoint or on your screen, and it looks very nice actually. So that is it. I will suggest all of you give it a try and uh, try to explore more. Thank you.